Meron na naman tayong special magic tricks guys. Tanggalin mo natin yung joker. Susukin natin guys. Patayin natin sa tatlong files guys. Ngayon guys, yung spectators guys, pipili ng isang files dyan guys. Kahit saan dyan ang pili niya guys. Sample itong napili niya guys, yung spectators. Ito naman yung bra ng magician guys. Hindi ko to bibilangin guys. Yung bra ng spectators guys, bibilangin natin. Example, 8. Bibilang tayo ng 8. Yun ang uulan natin guys. Bilangin natin yung bra ng spectators guys. Kung ilan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 guys yung bra ng spectators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Dos na diamond guys. Yung 17. Yung pang 17 dos na diamond. 17 yung bra ng spectators guys. Ito naman yung pang 17 dos na diamond guys. Hindi ko bibilangin yung bra ng magician guys. Ngayon guys, uulan natin yung dos na diamond guys. Yung dos na diamond guys, ito na yun guys. Buksan natin guys kung totoo. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.